Today on the Home Tip Show, we're not looking at the usual stuff. Today, we're looking at cheese boards. That's right, cheese boards today on the Home Tip Show. Let's do it! So, I got this gift for Christmas from the company I work for. And my vice president and administrative assistant got together and said, you know, they thought Jon liked to entertain, and they thought that this would be something that he would really enjoy, and they nailed it. So what this is a absolutely beautiful, it's 100% natural bamboo, and it includes a little hidden piece that I'm going to be showing here in a second. It also includes 4 stainless steel utensils for various slicing, spreading, and serving type applications. Each of those have stainless steel blades and what I would say like an easy grip bamboo handle. In addition to the little hidden area that I mentioned, it also contains 2 ceramic bowls, which are perfect for adding little garnishes or olives or nuts or anything that you might want to add as a sauce or something to your dinner. So, but one of the things I found really interesting is this. This is a stone slate that's integrated in with the board that can be used for the actual cutting, so that you don't have to hurt your bamboo when you are slicing the cheeses or whatever it is you're using this for. This can be used for anything. You don't have to limit yourself to just cheeses, but I thought that this would be something that'd be great for holiday gatherings or parties or Valentine's Day gifts, hostess gifts, housewarming parties, anniversaries for couples, Mother's Days, Father's Days, bridal shower. This is made by a company called HB Life and is available on Amazon. This item's dimensions is 13.9 inches by 13.39 inches, and it is 2.09 inches in height. It weighs about 5.41 pounds and is square and is designed to easily go into, any standard cabinet. But here's the thing I thought was really cool, and that is, I didn't catch this until later, but it has a built-in drawer for all the devices you would need to slice the cheeses. And it's somebody who does quite a bit of entertaining and bringing home different cheeses for parties. I thought this was kind of cool. These are little, I don't know what they call them in the official documentation over here to the side, but basically they're little label tags, and you can use this marker and write on there, this is blue cheese, and stick it into the type of cheese, and it comes with 2 of those, and I think probably a lifetime supply here of markers. It comes off real easy. It also has a little stabbing fork. I don't know what to call that, but some sort of fork thing. It has a this looks like a single-sided, just very sharp knife. This is more than a spatula. This is a very sharp edge, so that can also be used when you're pushing down on the, whatever it is you're trying to slice. And this is a 2-sided knife, so it can be used either this way or one of the sides has a sharpened edge on it as well. The way I see this being used is really as a charcuterie board, but crackers can go around the edge. Cheeses can go around certain edges. Your different, types of sauces would go in these. You do all your cutting and slicing of your products in the middle. And, that way you're not bringing out, 4 or 5 different, a cutting board over here, a plate over here, your devices. It's all instead integrated and built in as one kit. In the product description for the video, I will place a link to this product on Amazon. And if you decide to get one, I hope you like it. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Oh, and if you like videos like this, or any of the other things I do, please subscribe, hit the like button, also hit the bell so you receive updates and notifications when I produce new videos. We are in process of trying to up our subscriber count, so if there is anything that you've liked, that you've watched and you've used, please hit the subscribe button and help us out. All right, thank you very much.